I'm going to show you how to pair and connect your PlayStation Pulse Elite headset directly to your PS5. So really quickly, I want to show you on my PS5. If we go here, but output device, but let me just go from the beginning to the settings so you know where to go, okay? So once you're at the home page here, just go to your settings, and then we're going to go down to sound right there, select that, and then we're going to move down one to audio output, and then we're going to move over to the right. You see output device is currently coming out of my TV. Let me select on that. Now, once we connect and pair the headset, we're going to see Pulse Elite down here, okay? So here's the USB link adapter. I'm using the standard PS5, so I have a USB-A in my front port. If you have a slim, then you have to plug it in the back, okay? Anyway, mine is right here. So first thing is make sure you plug this in, just like that. Now what we want to do first is put this into pairing mode, okay? So you have that one power button here. My headset is currently off, all right? Let me go ahead and turn it on. I'm gonna press and hold for like 2 seconds. Now it's on. Now I'm gonna wait a second. And now I'm gonna press and hold now. Ready, set, go. I'm gonna press and hold that button. I'm gonna keep on holding until it starts blinking blue rapidly, a lot faster, okay? Still holding. Where's that fast blinking blue? Still hold, oh, there it is. Let go quickly. Now it's blinking blue very fast. Now we're gonna come to the dongle here, the USB adapter. We're gonna press in, hold it for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let go. Oh, I just heard something, and look what just popped up my TV. Pulse Elite. There you guys go. Now, if you guys had an issue where you're still having issue pairing or connecting, then just go ahead and factory reset these, all right? Look in the link below, I'll show you how to factory reset these, all right?